with wonder inside my eyes that only a child of 9 years can experience, and a smile this big on my face. I am sitting in the big shade of the old apricot tree in my great-grandmother's garden, and around the table with me are my grandmother, my mom, and 4 aunts, all my mom's sisters. They are teaching me this art of hand making. They are teaching me the art of knitting. They are showing me how a ball of yarn, a wool that they were producing and then coloring into these vivid shades, and the yarn that we were making into balls, me and my cousins, which is the task we enjoyed doing since we were very little. And now the time has come for them to actually teach me how I can knit, how I can turn that wool into something that is useful. Hello, my creative friend. We may have had so many nice times like that, and it wasn't until later in my life, at every step, that I was actually discovering that those times were memories in the making, that those precise moments of being present are going to be future memories. And there is an art to creating a memory. There is an art to making, creating, and receiving a keepsake, and a special kind of treasure that is handmade by you, or maybe made together with somebody, made together with child perhaps, or with an older person who has forgotten this part of our childhood. But I can bet that almost every little girl was taught how to do things with her hands, how to crochet, how to sew beautifully, how to embroider something, how to make a cushion cover, how to make a bed, how to do something creative with just her own imagination, a piece of perhaps cloth or coloring pen or a book or pressed flower, anything really. There is no limits to what your imagination can create. And I spent most of my life being inspired to create things like these. And the more I was creating, the more I was sharing them with people who matter to me. And their reaction showed me that this is something that they also treasure. So an idea was born to invite you to join me on this creative exploration, where we can take interest, look within, see what do I feel inspired to create. And on this journey of creative keepsakes, I will share with you some things that I have created. They have been gifts for loved ones, or they will be part of my legacy that will be passed on. Or some of them have made it into gifts for other people. So they were made available for sale because I am an artist, and part of my vast art collection was offered, and some of it still is offered for sale. So I get to enjoy the benefit of seeing my art hanging in a flat in Buenos Aires, in the kitchen in Helsinki, in the townhouse in Buckinghamshire, all over the world really. Wherever I have met my people, I have been able either to send to them a gift, or they have bought into pieces of collection for the future. So when you're creating something with your hands, you are creating memories. But there is also a huge benefit and advantage of doing this for yourself. Say you are creating something by yourself. In that moment, you are completely surrendered to that activity. You feel one with your creation. You feel so devoted to it that it becomes your soul work. It becomes your meditation, because it is so pure. It is just the purest connection with your imagination, with your higher self. All I can offer you is the knowing that when you are creative and when you show up to create something with this genuine wonder, you will surprise yourself, and your life will reveal to you maybe a gift, maybe a liking towards something that you never discovered before. Or you will be able to bless someone with a gift they didn't expect to see from you. It opens this window of opportunity and possibility just to peep inside your creative self. Because when you improve and when you cultivate your creativity, your life gets better. The quality of everything that you experience gets that much more real and meaningful for you. And you get closer to writing, to co-creating your own destiny. And without further ado, this is it. This is your invitation, my friend, to join me on yet another creative exploration of your creativity. Enjoy.